Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will guide you through the downloading, compiling and testing the OpenSees source code. There are multiple ways to accomplish these tasks. I will be sharing my preferred method, but for reliable and accurate information on OpenSees, consider exploring reputable sources. I will highlight a couple. Dr. Silvia Mazzoni's website. A personal favorite of mine is the OpenSees Cafe, which I have found immensely helpful over the years, and Professor Michael Scott's blog. They also have good content on their YouTube pages. Find links to these resources in the video description below. Let's get started. First, open the OpenSees GitHub page, select the OpenSees repository, and click on Fork. Then navigate to your profile and synchronize the fork. This message should be displayed. Then clone the repository to your local machine. Copy. I will create a new folder on the desktop. Open the folder. I will use git bash. And I will git clone and paste the link by pressing Shift Insert. And the OpenSees now is downloading to your local machine. The download is completed, so let's close the git bash. And let's navigate to the 64-bit version and open the solution file with Visual Studio. If you see a message about the Visual Studio version, just click OK to upgrade the platform toolset. In this way, all your projects will update on their own. If you don't click OK and you press cancel, you will need to do it manually for each project. By the way, this message only shows up if your local machine's Visual Studio version is newer than the version used to build OpenSees, which is 2019 at the time of making this video. Now let's switch to the release version and let's build the OpenSees executable. I will pause the recording here and I will resume when the build is done. Okay, so we are back, but there is one error. There is one library file missing. There are two ways to solve this problem. First is to search for this file on your local machine, and if you find it, then you just need to navigate to the project's properties, go to the linker, under general you have the additional library directories, and click edit, and you need to add the path here. Second, there is an alternative version which is much simpler and which will be used in this video. Actually, this second solution is presented by Professor Scott on his YouTube channel. The video has the following title, and the library files that are missing can be downloaded via a Dropbox link. The download is complete, so let's copy the library files into the library directory under Win64. Here, paste. And now let's rebuild the solution. We can see that the errors were solved and the build is successful. Now let's test the executable. Yeah, it seems to work. Let's try the wipe command and the print command. Yes, it's working. Next we will build the OpenSees Python. An error message appears regarding the Python version. It requires 3.10. Let's check my machine. We'll launch Anaconda and type Python. It seems that I have 3.9 installed on my machine, but the solution requires 3.10. To solve this error, I will go to the OpenSees Py project, under Properties, Linker Input, and Additional Dependencies. I will search for Python, and I will just rename. OK, apply, OK, and rebuild. It seems that the OpenSees 5 project was built successfully. Now the only thing left is to test it. For this we will run a Python file that I've already prepared. I will paste it exactly in the bin folder. I will copy the path. I will edit my file. It's very important to change this. Let's save it, and now I will start my Anaconda. I will navigate to the same folder, and I will Python OK, it seems that it passed. If I'm not mistaken, this is the message that needs to be displayed. Yes, passed. OK, so this concludes the video. Share your thoughts in the comment below. If you find it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Additionally, consider supporting my work through the Buy Me a Coffee page. Thanks for watching.